learn how to make this cute heart wreath attachment. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos. For this attachment, I cut out my heart shape on a piece of foam board, and I have a red glittery placemat that I got from Hobby Lobby after Christmas, 90% off. So you can cut out any shape you want. For this video, we're doing a heart. I just hand drew it. And then I have some pink ruffly trim that I'm gonna glue on the edges. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lay the foam heart on the back side of the placemat, and I'm gonna trace the shape. And we are going to cut that shape out. All right, once you have your shape cut out, we are going to glue it. I use hot glue, just glue it right onto the foam board. So I'm gonna get my hot glue. I'm gonna start at the top center of the heart and put a little glue right on this V. And I'm gonna carefully place the red glitter heart just directly onto it and make sure it's lined up and that no white foam board is showing. And push that down. And then we are just gonna slowly add a line of hot glue all the way around the border edge of the heart. Next, I'm going to be using this pink ruffly trim that I had to cover the white edge of the heart. And I'm just going to glue it directly onto the edge, the side of the foam board. And I'm going to start at the bottom of the heart. So we'll put, oh, and then I forgot, I'm going to trim some of the extra red glitter material because it was slightly like overhanging, so I'm gonna cut it so it's more flush with the foam board. That way when I glue the trim on, it's nice and flat. All right, so we're just gonna start gluing right on the edge. So now that I have the beginning edge glued, I'm just gonna go down like maybe 4 or 5 inches at a time with the hot glue, and then push down the trim and let it kind of cool in place for a little bit, and then I'll go on to the next little chunk. And I will just continue doing this all the way around the whole edge of the heart until we get back to where I started. And once I made it back to the edge where I started, I snipped the extra trim off and I just overlapped the two pieces slightly. And that was it. This was so easy. To make it attachable to things, we are going to be adding some 1-inch cable mounting squares. You can get them at like Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon. This is what they look like. They have an adhesive sticker on the back side of them, but I still add a little dot of hot glue just to help secure them when I'm sticking them on. You want to figure out whatever you're attaching this to, kind of where you want to hang them. I'm offsetting mine a little bit so that when I attach it to my wreath, it's like anchored on really well and it's not gonna tip. It'll hold on pretty steadily. I'm gonna stick it on. I kind of hold the pressure for a while until the hot glue starts to dry so it's on there really good. Once I attach these, the next thing I do, just to make them more like stuck in place, I do a border around the square with the hot glue. Here in Arizona, it's so hot outside, so a lot of things need to be reinforced a little bit better, just in case over time the heat makes them come off. When I go to attach this onto my wreath, I will either slide like a piece of floral wire through the hole, or I use pipe cleaners. Either one, they both work. I hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully I will be uploading a ton of different wreath attachments soon. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.